Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'm going to show you how to write an SEO-optimized blog introduction using ChatGPT. Let's get right into it. The introduction of your blog post is your chance to grab readers' attention and improve your search engine rankings. When you use ChatGPT, provide your blog topic along with the main key points you want to target. For example, you might say, write an SEO-optimized introduction for a blog about healthy meal planning, including keywords like meal prep, nutrition, and easy recipes. ChatGPT will create a compelling introduction that naturally includes your keywords while engaging readers. It balances providing useful information with enticing the reader to continue reading. You can then personalize the text by adding your voice or extra details that relate to your audience. Remember guys, a strong introduction not only improves SEO but also sets the tone and expectation for your entire blog post. Always review and tweak the output to make sure it fits your style and content goals. And that's that guys. Now you have learned how to create SEO-friendly blog introductions quickly and effectively using ChatGPT. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.